We're out here, Tim. He's cutting down some trees and things like that. Some lawns. We're getting ready to leave.
Oh yeah, thank you for indulging me while we slowed it way down for Tim. Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is a pink fairy 1, 2, 3 video, and we are grilling and chilling in this one. We're also making a low carb meal, but it is loaded with sodium. So the titles for this one are, because the titles are hilarious: making me get out more / grilling fish and burgers / had a little fire, and cooking low carb / low carb / diabetic life, because we all know Pink Fairy was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes over a year ago. Sometimes she's diabetic, sometimes she's not. It depends which angle she's going for in her channel. If she wants to, be, appease the feeder crowd, then she's not diabetic. If it's her birthday, she's not diabetic. All that stuff. But if she's trying to sort of get clicks because she is diabetic, then, like I said before, she is the Wilford Brimley of Ohio. So we'll get into this, guys. Don't forget to hit the like. Hit subscribe if you're new. I appreciate that. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you. And if you want to support the channel further, please, by all means, join the KGzers. Okay, so we'll get into this. Let me just skip ahead who here.
Dunkins. There's my Dunkins. Right there. Tells you what I got.
Okay, so if you were in my live the other day, we did her birthday stream and she threw a fit. She did not get her birthday Dunkins. So 2 raspberry shots, she does say they are sugar-free. Great. Why does someone need 2 creams plus almond milk? I don't know, am I crazy? One or the other? Especially since she's got that high cholesterol going on, maybe leave the cream?
Raspberry is sugar-free. Coffee. We love our Dunkins. We are Dunkin' whores. Guys, we are
Dunkin' whores? Is that like a thing? Is there a dating site like dunkinwhores.com? I'll have to look into that. But I don't know if she just got coffee. That's all she said she got. Who knows? But now we're going to get into the grilling. And listen, I did a poll. Thank you everyone for jumping on my poll in my community tab. I don't understand foil on a barbecue. I don't get it. I've seen people do silicone mats. Still, don't get it. Don't you want the char? Don't you want the nice grilly, smoky flavor? Isn't that the point of a barbecue? But anyways, the majority of you were with me. No foil on the grill, unless maybe it's a community grill.
We're home. About to throw some food on the grill. Tim got him some fish. See, you guys, he does. I know people asking questions. A couple other people in the house that like it too. I just don't. Put some seasoning on it. So you don't let the fish touch my hot dogs. So yeah. It's got 5 hot dogs and 2 turkey burgers. Just kind of stuff we had left. This is the hot dogs I had left.
So we've got land, sea, lips, and arseholes.
I only have 2 hamburgers left, so I'll go get some more turkey burgers. Put them on the list, babe. And then here's little fish. They're all looking pretty good, so that's all going to be our dinner tonight. Probably not going to make nothing else with it. I don't know. Probably not. That's probably just... smells good already and we ain't got nothing cooked. Don't it? There goes. Okay.
So you're trying to tell me, Pink, that all you're going to have for dinner is 5 hot dogs and 2 turkey burgers? Just like a pile of nitrates and meat? No sides? I don't believe you.
Hot dogs are done. For sure.
Oh my God.
Like them, love them black. Yes, like them black on my hot dog. Hamburgers need a little bit on this side, I think. The white a little full sticking to them. There we go. I always put a little bit of holes in mine. And he said, I'm not sure how to cook fish. He said turn them, so just turn it. So I said, okay. I gotta get some tongs for that. So there we go. This fishy's looking good. Looking good. I got this over here to put them all on, so. Whew. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to film with my other hand while you all showing y'all and trying to flip. Ooh, you guys see that?
Okay. First of all, that fish looks like drier than a popcorn part. Everything looks overcooked except for those pale turkey burgers. And why the foil? Why? Like, that cannot be healthy. That burnt foil cannot be healthy.
Sure, these might be done too.
What is she
All
doing?
might be done. He's got some good Frisch's tartar sauce on there.
Oh yeah, he's gonna have to lube that fish up.
And get my lunch going. What we're going to be having, simple, quick, easy, but guess what? Low carbs, yes. I've been trying real hard to get that going, eat, less as possible.
Okay, so this is the second one where she's gonna cook her low carb meal. The way she says it, trying to get that going, it's been over a year and she's still trying to get that going. Girl, I don't.
As far as carbs. Hey guys, so we're going to get started here. So I'm going to go ahead and use some pre-cut chicken chunks. See how this is just for lunch. A bag of broccoli, stir fry, a can of cream of chicken. Kind of just like that one I made. But I'm doing cream of chicken this time instead, because it might be better. I'm going to spray the pan with some extra virgin olive oil, just to help keep things from, sticking, that is. This is in chunks, grilled chunks. So, and they said it's good for rats, too. The only thing really bad in this is not sodium. Of course, you know how sodium is. Yeah.
I know how sodium is, but do you? Because you're gonna eat it as well with the soup that is loaded with sodium as well. I'm not a fan of this frozen chicken. I find it very rubbery. So I almost never buy it. Now, the reason why it's so high in sodium is because a lot of times it's actually injected with salt water, with saline, to keep it moist and juicy.
You know that. So yeah, just to try to be a little healthier, you know what I mean? I like these pull taps on these pans, don't y'all? I do, I love them. Okay. Here we go. It's a beautiful day out so far. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. Yeah, what about where you all live at? So I think this would turn out pretty yummy, but someone gave me the idea of mixing this in, so. carbs meals because a lot of y'all have met, some people have messaged me, some people on Facebook, some people emailed me and said they do low carbs too.
How about you do low carbs because you have type 2 diabetes, because you need to regulate that blood sugar, because you constantly go to your checkups and nothing has changed. Medications increase, and girl, you are going to lose your eyesight, you're going to lose your limbs, you're going to lose your kidney function if you don't get it together. How about that's why you do low carbs? Not because your audience does, but you know what? Pink's going to do what Pink's going to do.
This is low carbs too. And send me some recipes.
Low carb loaded with sodium.
Try, but some of it takes, a lot of it takes cream cheese, and I'm trying to cut down on my cheese because I got high cholesterol. I mean, as you notice, I haven't been buying a lot of cheese in my house, but I bought, a couple bags of shredded or whatever, but that's about it.
So I haven't noticed much of a decreased cheese haul that she does. If you buy the pre-shredded cheese, which by the way I've said this a million times, it doesn't melt very well because it's covered with, what is it covered with? I'm losing my mind here. Cellulose? Yes. So it doesn't pull apart when it's melted. But also, if you're buying shredded cheese, it's so much easier for you to go for and eat because it's already shredded. You just grab a handful and eat it. If you're buying the block cheese, it takes a little more effort to get out the grater and grate it. And it's just, her cheese consumption, in my opinion, has not lessened by any means.
So this should not take long pretty much to heat up. I'm going to put some dry onions on top. I'll bet you on that. Okay, now I'm definitely going to add some pepper. Because we are pepper people. We love our peppers. So these dry onions are low in carbs. And I like putting them on my casserole. So therefore, I'll put them on there. 3 carbs for 2 tablespoons. So, and I'm putting it all over the casserole, so. These make the casserole really yum. Especially when they get nice and crispy on top. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so does she not understand portions? Because she said it's 3 carbs for 2 tablespoons. She put basically the whole container on there. I don't know who else is eating that, but by the time it's said and done, it's adding up the carbs. Like, she should have got the tablespoon out there so she could actually see how many tablespoons she's actually putting on there, but she's not going to. That's Pink Fairy. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you guys, and if you made it this far, thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye!